This is Green Heron All-Purpose Cleaner. It comes in kit form and you simply add water. There are 5 1-gallon packages in a kit, and a kit costs only $18.95, delivered anywhere in the United States. Simply add 1 package to 1 gallon of water, shake it up, and you're good to go. The first thing we're going to do after mixing is to wet down this concrete slab with our Green Heron all-purpose detergent. And while the deck is soaking, we're going to clean the gutters. Green Heron makes gutter cleaning very easy. It simply melts the baked on scum and algae and dirt right off. Watch how we simply brush on the Green Heron cleaner and brush it off. It's that simple. This is the gutter before we apply the Green Heron. Then you will see us apply it, and then you'll see the gutter afterwards. This is just a very light but wet brushing. You can actually see the scum and debris melting as you brush on the Blue Heron detergent. Then you simply rinse it off with your garden hose. It's that simple. Just look at that shine. Green Heron is all natural, but if you spill some on your plants or shrubbery, you should rinse it off with fresh water as soon as possible. Green Heron is available at usadepotstore.com.